Hi friends, it's Mrs. Palmer again with your second estimation clipboard activity. I hope you enjoyed the last one, and I hope that you learned some things about estimation, how you can use what you know from one picture and help you decide if you need to go up a little, down a little, up a lot, down a lot. That's what I want you to be thinking about when we go through this next set. Okay, today we're looking at marbles. I want you to look at the dice and the toy car to kind of help you figure out how big the marbles are. Okay. How many marbles are in the bowl? Pause the video. Okay, let's see how many marbles were in the bowl. There were 29 marbles in the bowl. How did you do? Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, same bowl, different amount of marbles. How many marbles are in the bowl? Pause the video, make your guess. There were 14 marbles in the bowl, so less than the first set of marbles. Okay, let's look at the next one. Same bowl, lots of marbles. Okay, we know that there were 29 marbles in the first, 14 marbles in the second. How many marbles do you think are in this third bowl? Pause the video. Okay, let's see how many. 75 marbles in the bowl. Okay, let's go to the last one. Okay, use what you know to help you figure out how many marbles do you think are in this bowl. Pause the video. Okay, there were 51 marbles in the bowl. Okay, let's go on to our next set. Okay. Same thing, we're still using marbles, but a different size cup. But again, use the toy car and the dice to help you. Okay, how many marbles do you think are in this cup? Pause the video. Okay. There are 37 marbles in this cup. Let's go to the next. Okay, use what you know about the first picture to help you figure out how many marbles. Do you think there's more or less marbles? Pause the video, take your guess. There were 48 marbles. Awesome. Let's go to the next. Pause the video, take your guess. There were 15 marbles in the cup this time. Okay, let's go to the last one. Use what you know about all three pictures to help you figure out how many marbles are in this cup. Pause the video. Okay, let's see how many there are. There are 24 marbles in the cup. Great job. All right, let's go on to the next set. Okay, here we go. So same cup, but the cup is upside down. Again, use the dice and notice that the first time we used this cup, the cup was smaller at the bottom and big at the top. But now the cup is big at the bottom and gradually getting smaller at the top. Okay. How many marbles do you think are in the cup? Pause the video, take your guess. There are 40 marbles in the cup. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, looks like there's a few less marbles in the cup this time. Pause the video, take your guess. 26 marbles in the cup. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, this one looks like it's almost full. How many marbles do you think are in the cup? Might think about what we did in the last set to help you. 67 marbles in the cup this time. And let's go to the last picture. Okay. Pause the video, take your guess. 52 marbles in the cup. I wonder how you did. Okay, and here's our last set for the day. Okay, this time we're kind of using a mason jar. Looks like the jar is a little bit bigger than what we've been using before. Again, use the toy car and the dice to help you figure out about how big that jar is. And let's start. How many marbles do you think are in the jar? Pause the video, take your guess. 41 marbles in the jar. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, use what you know. Okay, pause the video, take your guess. Here we go. 32 marbles in the jar. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so it looks like we've gotten a less amount again. So how many marbles do you think are in the jar this time? Pause the video, take your guess. 16 marbles in the jar. Okay, let's go to the last one. Okay, are there more marbles or are there less marbles? Use what you know about the first 3 pictures to help you figure out this last set of marbles. Pause the video, take your guess. 23 marbles in the jar. Hey friends, I hope that you did a good job. I hope that you're learning how to use the other pictures to help you with your estimations. And just remember that I miss you so much and I hope that you're practicing all of your math facts. Have a great day.